Hey YouTube, Opinionative Reviewer here, bringing you guys a video on TouchPose Plus. It's by iolate and it's in the BigBoss repo for $1. Now you guys gonna remember I showed you guys TouchPose just a while back, and this one is actually TouchPose Plus, and I actually love the updates that he did to it, but I got a rant about this tweak, and you guys are gonna understand why I'm gonna rant about this tweak. You guys can see I'm touching here and it has images coming up on both my keyboard and also when I touch the screen, which is nice. We're going to go into the settings app and we're going to scroll down until we see TouchPose Plus right here. We're going to touch on that, and this TouchPose Plus brings some updates or some added features than TouchPose. If I remember correctly, TouchPose only had the little stupid dots that when you touch the screen you saw your finger touching. With this you can actually go ahead and put custom images. Now what pisses me off about this tweak is when you go into the custom images section, the only two stuff you're gonna get is these two right here. That pisses me off because inside Cydia, when you go into Cydia and you scroll down, you see freaking Angry Bird pictures here. There's no Angry Bird pictures when I download this damn tweak. There's no Angry Birds. And that upsets me. Because if you're going to advertise something with pictures, they should be inside when I download the tweak. Those Angry Bird stuff that you guys see here, all of these other stuff, I created those because I wanted something, at least something to show off, and there was only these two. So whoever the damn developer is, he did minor updates to the tweak, but only add two of these stupid shit. Come on, man, developers gotta start doing better than this stupid shit. You charge me $1, you add two features, and you advertise Angry Birds, and you don't put them in. Now, I'm not ranting because of Angry Birds. I don't give a shit whether it's Angry Birds, Goku, Cartoon Network, it doesn't matter. My thing is if you're going to advertise a tweak with an image, put it in. And you charge me $1 and give me two stupid images, a bullseye and an apple? Come on, man. Put at least 10 images in there for my $1. And whether it warrants $1 or not, these features could have just been added to TouchPose 1. I'm going to start pirating these stupid shit because it's really getting on my nerves that some developers are not putting the extra effort into tweaks. He could have easily created at least 10 good pictures. And if you want to advertise as Angry Bird, give me Angry Birds. And you guys can see I'm super upset about this shit. Anyhow, let's go back into the features. So here you have the pose box. You could go ahead, whatever on the top up here are the ones that are in use. So nothing is up there, you're just gonna see the default icon for TouchPose. I like to put all of them up there and then just go ahead and use the random. So whenever I touch it's gonna be, every time I touch it's gonna be a different one. If you put it in order, it's just gonna go in the order of how they are. So the apple, the Angry Birds, and then you see the face, then you see the pig, and you go see Angry Bird, the face, and the pig, and that's how it goes. If you only go the top one, it should be only the first one that's inside here. Or you could just put all of them down. But I like random. And you can also select if you want it on the keyboard. If you want to put it on the keyboard. That's basically it. A couple minor updates, and I wouldn't have ranted if he actually added those stuff, the Angry Bird or more images. I wouldn't have ranted. I actually like the updates, and you can see it actually shows on the keyboard. It's pretty cool, but I'm upset because he didn't add at least 10 freaking pictures. He only add a stupid apple and a bullseye. Come on, man, developers gotta start doing better than this BS, man. Anyhow, this one is called TouchPose Plus. It's in the BigBoss repo for $1. It's a matter of preference if you want to get it or not. With that being said, please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day. Make sure you show that thumbs up button some love. And if you aren't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button above. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter. I answer questions a lot faster on Twitter than I do on YouTube. Oh yeah, and check out my previous video if you haven't already.